Alright guys, I've made it here to the Seoul Children's Grand Park. It is a complex that's got like animals here, a zoo, ponds, fun activities for the kids, playgrounds, a whole bunch of amusements. We're going to have a bit of a look around the park, a bit of a walk, and see what's up. Check out that. Mechanical figures of art. Alright guys, I am here in Seoul, which is where the subway system is, and also the heart of Lotte. This is the Lotte Mall and the Lotte Tower. I think it's about the 5th tallest building in the world. It's about 355 meters. I think this Sky Tower in New Zealand is about 198 meters, so this thing is nearly double the size of that. And it's also bigger than the Tai 101 building in Taiwan. Huge mall inside. You probably need at least a week to go in there, especially if you're a woman and you love makeup. There's heaps of makeup stores in there. There is also Lotte World, which is just over here. It's like an amusement park and everything for the kids over here. Lotte World, Lotte Tower, Lotte Mall. I need a Lotte feed. Alright guys, now we're inside the Lotte Mart. This is the food area, and I noticed the prices are really expensive here compared to Vietnam. I mean, you've got these kind of cucumbers here for like about $4 New Zealand for a bunch, whereas in Vietnam you can get a bunch like this for like $1 New Zealand or even $1.50. But things here are really expensive, but that's how the system is here, I guess. You get paid high wages here, so you tend to pay for a lot more for things. Anyway, I'm on the lookout for some bits and pieces, and check out more of Seoul and Lotte. Real brownie. Really? $4.50 for that. What? Joking me? You can get 2 dinners for that in Vietnam. Alright guys, I've checked out Lotte Tower and some of the Lotte department stores. Huge, really huge, especially the Lotte Mall. Now Lotte is a Korean brand and it is in Vietnam. They've got lots of supermarkets called Lotte, which are reasonably cheap as well. I get a lot of my food from a lot of the Lotte supermarkets in Vietnam, which is really handy. Anyway guys, it's heating to about 25 degrees. I am getting a little bit hungry as well. It's just past lunchtime, but I'm gonna head to Gangnam and see if I can find the Gangnam style attraction there. Alright guys, we have made it to Gangnam District here in Seoul. Check this out, Gangnam style. This is kind of like one of the icon attractions which was in the music video, Gangnam style. And apparently this is like one of the rich areas of Seoul. They've got a little stage over here and some pretty flash buildings as well. I just tried a nice iced coffee here. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but I decided to taste the coffee here. Pretty awesome. I would say a good A. And now I think I'm going to do a little bit of shopping around Gangnam and